Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify two-factor setup on PayPal Security step by step clearly. To verify your two-factor setup on PayPal Security, start by logging into your PayPal account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. In the settings menu, locate the security tab and click on it. Look for the option labeled two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Click on Edit next to the two-factor verification option. If you haven't set it up yet, follow the prompts to enable it first. If two-factor authentication is already enabled, you will see the methods you have chosen. You may find options like SMS notifications or authentication apps. To verify these, select one of the provided methods. For SMS, ensure your phone number is correct, then click on Send Code. Check your phone for the verification code sent by PayPal. Enter the code into the designated field on the PayPal website. If using an authentication app, open the app and locate the code for your PayPal account. Enter this code in the field provided on the PayPal page. Once your code is accepted, you will see a confirmation message. This confirms that your two-factor setup is verified. You can also adjust your settings if you want to add or change your verification method at this point. After you finish, be sure to log out for security. Your PayPal account is now more secure with verified two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.